Hello, hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, March the 1st, 2022. I've already solved these two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars. Now it's time for the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 4195. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Well, double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Well. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row, in this row. Not allow one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Well. Let me see. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Well, I know. Here, between a 1 and an O with... Oh, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Alright. Interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones in the first row, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Okay. Alright. I think I need to compare. Yeah. Definitely. Well, question is, do we need to compare? This column and the last column. Oh, 1, empty box. Empty box, 1. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Okay, now, again, but comparing the rows, I need to compare the rows. We have 4 rows. Oh, do we have a double O here? No. We have a O 101. O101. No. It's, 100. No. How about this one? 1010. Yeah. No. 11. Well, we have here 3 ones in this column. If we place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Okay. 1, 2, 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules. So this cannot be 1. This should be an O. Between two O's comes a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Finish in 5 minutes. Oh, wait. Wow. And I like this one. Yes. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles. A tectonic with 4 stars and a killer Sudoku. See you then. Bye bye for now.